Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix to skip disk checking. Press any key within 7 seconds on Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type chkntfs, /x, /clan. Type exit from command prompt. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.